Сегодня у нас будет краш-тест, точнее добитие вот этого говна. Это задняя крышка от 5-2017 года. У нее ничего нету, она в хламе. Ну, я с нее снял только глазок камеры. Вот самокатный, тоже золотой. Им пользуюсь не я, а кое-кто другой человек. Кое-какой. Я единственное, что снял с задней крышки, это вот эту вот металлическую. Она прикрывала камеру. Так что остальное что-то под чехлом прячется. Записываю по просьбе Дениса. Скат. Закройся.
We never give up, no we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill. To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You just gotta wanna keep chasing, put you everything you're facing. Keep up with the pace and adrenaline rush starts racing. Get through all the things you hate and don't let the others in charge of your dreams. They just don't know what it takes to be seen. You see the shit take control of your team, and if you're alone then a one-man army. So you better be starving, and you better be carving. Through the hate keep marching, and every day keep charging ahead till you get what you want, what you dream. Regret is a thing of the past, and you'll see that you've always had it inside. It's the key to make the most of this life. Believe. No, we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill. To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. We never give up, no, we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill. To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. Going, I'm rolling and flowing, I'm coasting, I got them all trolling me right. I just keep growing and showing them knowing I'm owning this flow, you can catch me outside. Gonna get them all with a little payback. Never gonna fall, I'ma stay on the attack. Put them up against the wall as I finish every track. Never gonna stall, no I'm never gonna slack. I've been like working and learning and searching for something to push my shit over the edge. I'ma keep burning and turning up profit, you know I can't stop it until I am dead. Gonna be unstoppable and profitable, cause I got a constant flow of knowledge, yo. If you got a problem bro, take a